Okay, so today we are going on a walking bus and boat tour. It's going to take us around the whole of Prague, see all the main sites, and you're just going to follow us doing it.
Boat. It's a 60-minute cruise, so we'll be going under all important bridges, and then we take the same. We're going to St. Pier. We're ending the tour in Old Town. Now we are in New Town. New Town, in terms of Prague, was actually established in the middle of 14th century, so it's quite old. It was established by Charles IV. Charles IV was Holy Roman Emperor. He was half Czech, half Luxembourg. Not only noble families gave money, but also kind of poor people, whatever they could in order to build it again. So it was built in another 4 years. And why it was so important to have national theatre for Czech nation? Because back then, for centuries, we had here a big population of German-speaking people. Prague was not always the seat of empire. As we said, when Maria Theresia was ruling the country, the seat of empire was in Vienna, not Prague. So again, money was invested very likely in there, but not here. So we are kind of on the periphery, like on the side of that empire, say 18, 19, and beginning of 20th century.
What's it called? Statue of Joy. So we're on the boat tour at the moment, and this is St. George's Bridge. That was the end of the boat tour. We're just heading into Old Town now.
Chceme se tím udělat prostě referendum, prostě aby ta radnice městské velké části Prahy, jedna prostě neudělala to samostatně automaticky.
They got killed very often on the spot. This particular person was kadeřník, it means hairdresser. So in these days guns would be lying somewhere, so he grabbed and he wanted to use it against Nazi German soldier. As he was not professional, he got killed. So around 1,500 people got killed during those last 3-4 days. If you see the plaque, always check the date, and if it's 5th or 6th or the last days of World War II, those were mainly civilians.
Okay, so we just finished the walking tour.
And the eggs that I nicked from breakfast this morning
They're
are not
not.
hard-boiled.
Right, to continue from that last bit, we've just finished our walking tour and it was great. We managed to do nearly everything you could tick off. The only thing we haven't done was walk over the bridge, but we've done that before. And we stopped in Old Town Square, which comes to the clock. Unfortunately, it's currently having renovations, so we're never going to see it do any of the fancy stuff, but I'm sure we can YouTube that later. But yeah, no, it's a really busy square. Did you have a good tour?
Yeah, it was brilliant.
Yeah,
Really.
I definitely recommend it to anyone, and our guide Jan was amazing and he was lovely, so good day.